Pressure is building across Phoenix's fastest-growing industries, and it's no longer just about keeping up, it's about staying competitive. Manufacturing and aerospace are growing fast, but they're also prime targets for cyber threats. Manufacturing alone faces a large share of ransomware and data breaches, putting operations and revenue at risk. Many businesses are still relying on outdated systems and generic IT strategies. While you're reacting to issues, competitors are adopting smarter technologies and moving ahead. Growth without protection leads to disruption. Downtime slows innovation, impacts customer trust, and creates opportunities for others to take the lead. As Brian DiDonato, Chief Operations Officer at Nuvodia, puts it, "You need a partner who doesn't just react to breaches. Nuvodia anticipates, adapts, and neutralizes threats before they cost you revenue." That shift to proactive strategy is where real progress happens. Businesses leading in Phoenix are strengthening security, investing in workforce awareness, and adopting modern systems that evolve with new threats. They're also using cloud solutions and building resilient supply chains to stay efficient and prepared. This isn't just about avoiding risks. It's about building a stronger operation that supports consistent growth. Be sure to check out the full article on our website for more insights, and save this podcast so you can revisit it anytime.